What's going on, guys? My name is Mr. J Pro, aka Jonathan, aka hi, my name is John. Doesn't make sense. Anyways, guys, every single time I post a video about an off-camera flash, people ask, how do you have the subjects lit without the light stand or the tripod in the picture? How did you Photoshop it out? So this is the absolute easiest way. There are other ways and more technical ways to do this, but I'm going to show you how to get the light stand, the person holding the light, out of the picture right now. So guys, as you can see on my screen, I have our beautiful couple here at a maternity shoot, and I have my lovely wife right here with the light right here, and that's the couple right there, and she's standing obviously in the frame to light them up. This is the exact same picture without Nat and the light lighting up my subject. So obviously it's dark, so you're setting your camera settings for the ambient only. This is ambient. So this is what people wanted to know. What do you mean by setting the camera settings for ambient? In my last post, this is what I mean right here. So all this stuff right here is ambient light. This is the settings I have for my camera just for this, and this is the settings just for the couple. So I'm only trying to light up the couple. Okay, so now I already have this in Photoshop. So what you would do is the first picture, which is this picture, you're gonna right click it and hit edit in Photoshop. Then the other picture without the light, you're gonna right click, edit in Photoshop. Okay, it's that simple. Then Lightroom is now gonna transfer those photos into Photoshop. Boom, just like this. So what you're going to do is, so you have the photo with them lit and the photo without them lit. Okay, so now all you're going to do is grab this photo, the photo that has them lit, and you're gonna drag it over to the photo that doesn't have them lit up, and it's gonna go boom. Now it is in here, and you're gonna line it up. You see that? Once you have that square like that and those little thingies here, then you know you're lined up properly and you should be good to go. So if I unclick that, she's not there. If I click it, she's there. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so now all you're gonna do, guys, it's very basic. Like I said, this is the basic way to do this. There are more technical ways to do this, but this is the basic way. You're going to have this this layer with the light of them, with the light on them on top. Then you're gonna simply go over to the eraser tool over here, click on eraser, and then you're gonna size it down a little bit. And I have my hardness down to about, I'd say 20%. And all you're gonna do, guys, is erase it away. Erase it away, okay? So now I'm erasing her away out of the shot. And where a lot of amateurs fail is A, they don't understand this technique, and then B, just these little details right here. You want to get the shadow, because that is where Nat's shadow is, right? Because the sun is coming up from the top right. So even though I'm lighting up my couple here, the sun is still lighting them up a little bit as well too, and it's casting shadows over here. So you have to make sure you get rid of the person who's holding the light stand, get rid of their shadows as well too, because that looks very, very amateur, and you want to make sure that you don't look amateur. So there you go, guys. That is as simple as that. So boom, and as you can see, I could still see a little bit of the shadow here. So I'm just literally getting all of that out, and now I have my shot perfectly photoshopped perfectly, right? And yeah, that's it, guys. And then I would just bring this image back into Lightroom and edit it the way I want, and I'll probably show you a quick little snippet of me editing that. But yeah, this is how you do that. I hope this helps, guys, and this is the quickest way to Photoshop the light stand. Oh, quick tip: to get the shots perfectly aligned like this, make sure you're taking your photos on a tripod. So you're taking one photo with the light stand and the person lighting them up, and you're taking another shot with them with no light and just the ambient settings in the camera for the ambient light, not for the flash. Hope this helps. In the meantime, in between time, let's get it ×4.